Holt Eraser HGW30 self-propelled stump grinder. Don't get rid of stumps, erase them. Stumps will soon be nothing more than a faded memory with rapid cuts on each pass. The HGW30 Eraser self-propelled stump grinder is designed for 24-inch above to 12-inch below grade cutting. With an impressive 85-degree swing arc, that equals a 46-inch horizontal pass. The controls are easy to handle and can be dialed in for your specific needs, with traction control adjustment and variable swing speed. With the Eraser HGW30 self-propelled stump grinder, you are ready to sneak up and erase stumps. At 35 inches wide, the Eraser can get to stumps other grinders can't reach. This self-propelled stump grinder is driven from within to wipe out stumps with a 30 horsepower 999cc electric start engine. The Eraser was designed to maximize available engine power, delivering 1800 RPM hydraulically to the cutting head. Hydraulic energy is converted into stump erasing power through an industry-leading bent axis piston motor. The uncompromising efficiency of this motor means more power is delivered to the 18-inch rotor and 24 stump-hungry teeth. With no belts to wear or slip, you can erase more stumps with less maintenance. Call today and clean up with Eraser.